Hello everyone, welcome to Toy Festival. I am Sukhada Rate from Purna Prajna High School, Daisar, Mumbai. This is a simple toy. Name of this toy is Seema Wheel. Seema means this can be used in science as well as maths. This is a toy. The title of this toy is Seema Wheel. The objectives of this toy are to make pupil understand the concept of circle, also to find the area of a circle, that is formula for area of a circle, and also this can be used to find understand the concepts of the circle, and also it can be used in science as a simple machine, that is a wheel. Now this toy is made up of materials used for this are a simple lead, that is a plastic container, any container which has the round lid, we can take this lid of the container, then eraser, 2 straws are required, and 1 stick, agarbatti stick, which is burnt agarbatti stick, a small piece of agarbatti stick we can take, and 2 beads are required here. You can see this lid, a small hole is made here with the pointer. Then insert this stick here on one side. Then this rubber piece, make 2 pieces of this rubber piece, put it one on this side and the other on the other side in this way. Then this straw, make 1 hole here at this point with the with the pointer, and put it here at this point like this, in this way, and then at the end insert this small bead so that this straw will not come out. This is on one side, same way you do it on the other side. So in this way we will get this wheel like this. Here you can see 2 pieces of rubber, 2 beads and 2 straws on both the sides. And here 1 handle is put up, 1 wire is taken and a small piece of rubber, so that this wheel you can hold it in this way. So this is the materials used. It is just within a half an hour you can make this toy. Everyone, even the 5th standard students, can make this toy with their materials. Now time required for this is just a half an hour. The concept it can clear, use the with the understand the concept of circle. The students can get the skill of measuring circumference of a circle. Also students can find, by using this wheel they can find out the formula for area of a circle. Also the problem solving, like the wheel rotates on the road for and how many rotations it covers. So for that also we can use this type of wheel to solve some problems. And it is also used in science as a wheel, that is simple machines as a wheel. It can be also used by the learning disability student. They can handle this toy and they can just grasp how this wheel will be, and so this can be used by all the any kind of person. Now how to use this, just we'll see this. There are markings made here with a red pen. You can see here 1 red marking is there. This mark will keep it on the one end of this paper, and slowly we'll roll this on the paper like this, so that last again this point comes under and touches the paper. So this much will be the circumference of the circle. In this way a child can measure the circumference of a circle. This length they can measure it with the simple measuring tape or the scale. So they can find it out, this length, and with this formula only, and if they measure the diameter of this wheel, then they can find out what is the value of pi, that is circumference upon diameter. They will get the value of pi. Here I got it 39 divided by 12.4, that is 3.145. This circumference we have found. The same wheel I can use it for finding the area of a circle. Now to find the area of a circle, I have taken a circle here, drawn the circle with the lead, same measurement lead, This is the size of the lead. I drew one circle here, and this circle is cut into two parts. I have taken here two different colors, semicircles. Again, these simple semicircles are cut into 8 parts. This also I have cut in 8 parts, and just go on sticking in this way here. You can see it, this is stick here in this way. 8 parts, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, same way here 8 parts. So I'll get this half the rectangle. I had got this length of the rectangle, circumference as this much. So exactly half of the rectangle I have got this. So area of circle is half the area of rectangle. Now what is the length of the rectangle? Length of the rectangle is 2 pi r, and the radius is r. That is the breadth. So if I using this formula, area of a circle